This video is an assembly tutorial for the ESP32-S3-A7670E, 4G and ESP32-S3-SIM7670G, 4G development boards. Before starting assembly, please prepare all the required accessories. This video uses the A7670E version as an example. The A7670E version does not include a battery, so please prepare one yourself. The SIM7670G version does not come with a speaker, but the rest of the assembly steps are the same. First, peel off the transparent protective film on the surface of both bottom boards. Attach the 4G antenna to the corresponding position on the bottom board without holes, and press gently to secure it. Then, remove the protective film from the 4 dip switches on the main PCBA, and make sure all switches are set to the on position, toward the side with the silkscreen near the board edge. Next, install the 4 standoffs onto the main PCBA. When installing the battery, pay attention to the positive and negative polarity. Connect the camera FPC cable to the corresponding connector on the main board. Then, connect the 4G patch antenna and the GNSS antenna to their respective connectors on the main board, and insert the SIM card into the slot in the correct orientation. After confirming all cables are properly connected, secure the bottom cover with 4 screws. Note that the side with the 4G patch antenna should face the inside of the product. Next, peel off the protective film from the 2 side panels. And insert each side cover into the slots on both sides of the bottom cover. Attach the top cover, making sure the camera extends through the opening on the top cover. Then insert the side panel tabs into the corresponding slots on the top cover. Secure the top cover with 4 screws. Peel off the protective backing from the camera adhesive, and attach the camera to the designated position on the top cover. Then, use double-sided tape to attach the GNSS antenna to the side. If you are assembling the A7670E version, connect the speaker to its connector and use double-sided tape to fix the speaker to the side. After completing the above steps, check that all components are firmly installed and all interfaces are properly connected. That concludes the assembly of the ESP32-S3-A7670E, 4G and ESP32-S3-SIM7670G, 4 development boards.